Hello there, I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today we will delve into the fascinating world of predictive maintenance. Significance of this maintenance strategy, its applications, various techniques, and how it leverages advanced technologies to predict equipment failures. Under the potential of this proactive maintenance approach in minimizing downtime, reducing cost, and enhancing operational effectiveness. Let's get started.
1. Understanding the concept of predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance is a proactive maintenance strategy that involves monitoring the condition and performance of equipment during normal operation to reduce the likelihood of failures. This concept uses data-driven, proactive maintenance methods that help predict when equipment failure might occur. 2. The importance of predictive maintenance in today's industries. In today's fast-paced, technologically driven world, downtime can be incredibly costly. Predictive maintenance reduces downtime, reduces maintenance costs, and extends the lifespan of equipment, making it a critical element in modern industries. 3. How predictive maintenance works. A basic overview. Predictive maintenance uses tools such as sensors, artificial intelligence, and machine learning to monitor and analyze the performance of machinery. This collected data helps in identifying patterns and predicting potential equipment failures before they occur. 4. The role of AI and machine learning in predictive maintenance. Artificial intelligence and machine learning play a crucial role in predictive maintenance. Through analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns, these technologies can predict equipment failure and suggest preventive measures in real time, boosting efficiency significantly. 5. Key advantages of implementing predictive maintenance. Benefits include reduced downtime, increased equipment lifespan, improved safety, cost savings, better allocation of resources, and a significant return on investment. 6. Steps to successfully implement a predictive maintenance program. Successful implementation involves understanding your needs, choosing the right technology, defining your goals, training your team, and regularly reviewing your strategy. 7. Common challenges in the deployment of predictive maintenance. Challenges include high upfront costs, data management issues, the need for skilled personnel, and resistance to change within the organization. 8. Predictive maintenance versus preventive maintenance. While both strategies aim to prevent equipment failure, preventive maintenance is time-based, while predictive maintenance is condition-based, making the latter more efficient and cost-effective. 9. Real-life case studies demonstrating the power of predictive maintenance. A number of real-life case studies across industries like manufacturing, transportation, and energy has demonstrated significant benefits from predictive maintenance, including cost savings, improved efficiency, and increased profitability. 10. The future of predictive maintenance, trends and predictions. The future looks bright, with advancements in AI and machine learning promising to bring more sophistication to predictive maintenance. We can also expect a rise in predictive maintenance as a service, expanding its reach to smaller businesses. In conclusion, the predictive maintenance paradigm is a transformative approach that is reshaping industries worldwide, bringing with it significant cost savings and operational efficiencies. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Thank you for watching.